Charleston was a vibe, and here's how it went. It's the perfect mix of sunshine, soul food, and unforgettable memories. I kicked it off with beach days, letting Crush chase birds, feel the water from the oceans and sand. He got so spoiled. It's such a dog-friendly city. Got to catch up with friends over some southern soul food, explore the city's charm, savor new ice cream flavors, and even got to cheer on my home team at a soccer game. The sunsets are gorgeous, paint in the sky, but the real highlight, it was those genuine moments, new connections, and a reminder that the best adventures are shared.